Welcome to our channel, where the future of content creation unfolds. Today, we explore ChatGPT's power. Imagine having an entire team of writers at your fingertips, ready to collaborate. ChatGPT opens doors to limitless creative possibilities. With ChatGPT, your inspiration transforms into reality almost instantly. Witness the magic as we dive deeper into AI-driven content creation. To start, let's explore the user-friendly interface of ChatGPT together. Navigating this tool is as easy as pie. Type in your topic and watch as ChatGPT generates content in seconds. It acts like a digital muse, guiding your creativity. Once you have your draft, editing and refining ideas becomes a breeze with AI. Your words can shine brighter than ever with assistance. As we reach our conclusion, consider how ChatGPT can change your content creation workflow. Efficiency meets creativity at every corner. Equip yourself with AI tools like ChatGPT to effortlessly enhance your creative process. Unleash your imagination beyond traditional barriers. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and creativity. Your journey with ChatGPT begins here. Thank you for watching. Embrace the revolution of content creation today with ChatGPT and unleash your full potential.